Hey guys, it's Theo, and today is a pretty special day for me. On this day, exactly 1 year ago, I uploaded my first video on YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't make as much progress as I hoped I would, which is mainly due to my lack of self-discipline in uploading consistently. So one of my New Year's resolution is to change that and be more productive. So I wrote down a list of video ideas I gathered on my YouTube break, for no apparent reasons, and spent some time thinking what I really wanted to achieve this year. And I came to the conclusion that what I wanted the most, in some way or another, was to set up a side income that had the potential to grow. And while I still haven't figured out what exactly I want to do, I will be spending 2023 searching for that and making videos for you guys. And for that reason, what better way to start this journey by making something for myself that could function as a business card. A platform for people to find me and learn more about what I can offer and who I am. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about building my own website. If you ever search for ways to build a website, you probably found dozens of providers that have free options for building one yourself. And on my search, I found one site that was way more than just a website building platform. Odoo is actually an ERP system with many features for companies, no matter the size, to use to make the work more efficient and economical. But Odoo also has a website integrated feature that you can use for free. And let me just tell you that Odoo's website builder is amazing, but let's take a look. When you get to the website and click on pricing, you have the option to choose from different types of packs. For building a website, the free option is everything you need. But if you want to use more apps, you should consider updating. On the next page, you can choose which app you want to use. For this video, I will obviously choose the website building one, but if you have a company or just something else you find interesting, you could try out the free demo trial for 2 weeks. There you will be able to use all the apps they have and build your own system. Now we need to register and choose a website name. This will function as your web address, but don't worry, you can change it later on if you want. After completing the registration, you will receive an email where you need to verify yourself, and Odoo will be asking you a couple of questions to find out more about you and the website you want to build. I kind of struggled on this part, but don't worry, that information is only used to generate some templates to make starting easier for you. Now you can choose a color palette or input your logo if you already have one to generate colors for your website. Like before, you can adjust anything later on if you want other colors. Now Odoo wants you to choose pages and features that you want to include in your website. And after choosing that, you will get free website theme options that Odoo has already built for you. This was very helpful for me because you don't have to start from a blank canvas, but instead already have a basic website that you can choose and customize from. After it loaded, you'll be in editing mode, which you can see on the black box on the right side. In there, you won't be able to jump from page to page, but instead will be able to make any change you like on the current page. As you can see, the pages I chose beforehand are now on the upper top, and I could change the name or link by clicking on them. In the editing box, there is an option for blocks. There you can find pre-made structure options that you can simply drag and drop onto your page. I chose to use my homepage to link all my videos and embedded them for an easy access to watch. Each block you create has the option to be customized, be it without X, the font, or the background. You can change almost anything. Here I'm trying to figure out which background I want to have by using the shape options Odoo has. If you want to call the editing mode the backend, then Odoo has a backend, where you can make general configurations. If you want to add or change the menu order, you can simply go out of the editing mode and click on Edit Menu. If you want to add a new page, just simply go to Pages and create a new one. You can there choose if it should be added to the menu or not and can just start creating it. To create my bucket list, I chose to use Canvas as my image source and create some pictures that I could upload. Even though you can crop images later in Odoo, I would recommend you import them all in the right size, just to make the progress faster and have less difficulties in the future when you want to add more. And don't forget to click on the publishing button in the right corner when you're ready. After that, you can just go back to your main page, go into editing mode and select the button or the word you want to use for people to get to your other page and change the link to whatever you call the new page. So now when you get to your site, clicking on the button, see my bucket list, you will get to your new made page. By the way, the button new will give you the option to include other pages that you haven't chosen at the beginning. I already mentioned the general configurations, but if you ever purchase a domain to get a unique and individual website name, you will be able to insert them on the website configurations. As far as I know, it doesn't really matter which provider you get. so you can really look for the best price and connect it to your already built website. You can also choose to add another website for free if you have the need for it. So this was building a website with Odoo. I hope this was interesting to watch. I at least had a lot of fun building my own website, and I hope that it will in some ways motivate me to be more structured in my work in progress. If you're interested in not missing out future videos, feel free to subscribe and leave a like. And I will see you all in the next video. Ciao!